Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when all of the downloads are stuck on pending or you can't even press on the install button for Google Play Store on Sony Xperia 10V. So to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store and right here try to install something like whatever app you want, this one, and here there's a pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. So let's cancel it for now and move on to the fix. What we need to do is to open our settings and then scroll all the way down to the system. Then there's date and time, and here you can activate automatic date and time for this phone and move on to the Google Play Store. If you install the app, it should begin normally. Yep, it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.